Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony, and I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates, but it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. Let's make some delicious peppered turkey steak. Turkey steak is usually made from the breast of the turkey, and this meat can be very dense, therefore it is not flavorful. So in order for it to be tasty, we have to season it well and also add other vegetables to bring out that flavor. Now if you'd like to see me make this peppered turkey steak, then continue watching. And we choose turkey because it's similar to beef in texture, and for those people who don't like red meat, this will be a very good substitute. Right here we have 1.5 pounds of turkey meat, and to this we're going to season with our natural ingredients. In this container we have some crushed coriander, parsed, some other green vegetable herbs, and a half a spoon of drug seasoning. Then we have some crushed garlic. We'll use some of this in the slurry and some for seasoning, marinating the meat. Right here we have some all-purpose seasoning and some Szechuan seasoning. A generous amount of soy sauce, grated ginger, and some brown sugar. We'll be using corn flour, and as you know, it's peppered steak, so we want different color peppers, bell peppers that is. So we have some frozen red, and we have an orange and green, and we need an onion. We're going to need some oil for seasoning and also for frying. Now, to bring some authenticity to the meal, I've chosen to use a lot of Chinese seasoning, like the Chinese 5 spice. This is mushroom sauce, and I use dried ginger or powdered ginger, and we'll be using some sesame oil and some Chinese rice wine. Then, because it's peppered steak, I've chosen to use the coarse black pepper. Now, this is how we get the turkey breast in steak-like pieces, and it would be best if we cut when it's half frozen. But no, this is well taught. But this is how we cut it along the grain. Thin slices. Thin slices. The turkey mimics beef in texture, so the only difference is it's cooked much quicker. So we're going to do thin slices, and we'll continue cutting in bits until we're finished. To this we're going to add some oil so that our seasoning can stick to the meat. So add a little bit of olive oil. Teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper. We're going to take about a half a teaspoon of the Chinese 5 spice. This has cinnamon, star anise, clove, and stuff. So using about half a teaspoon of that, and another half a teaspoon of ginger. We do have crushed ginger, but that's for the slurry. Half a teaspoon of powdered ginger. We're going to do another half a teaspoon of sesame oil. So, sesame oil. Half a teaspoon there. And now we're going to add all the seasoning. Our chicken and Szechuan seasoning, ground herbs, and we're going to use half of the sugar, about 1.5 tablespoons of the sugar we're going to use it. And to this we're going to have half of this crushed garlic. So we have 4 cloves, and I've used 2, and then a tablespoon of the dark soy sauce. That should do it. So we're going to mix our meat, mix it, and allow it to marinate. And to this we're going to add some corn flour. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And we're going to mix it well. We add the cornstarch to the meat to prevent it from sticking while frying. Now we're rubbing the corn flour. And we're going to leave it to marinate. That should do it. Now this is done. We're going to cover and put it in the fridge for at least an hour. You can have it overnight. We're going to make our slurry now, and to a 400 liters, milliliters of stock, beef stock or chicken stock, whichever stock you have. But this is beef. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, crushed ginger. After that, our crushed garlic. Finally, our soy sauce. We mix well, and to this now we're going to add our cornstarch. Remember, this is a thickening agent, so we add and put it away. Now to this, we're going to add some mushroom sauce, and we're going to use a tablespoon of that. 1 tablespoon. Also a teaspoon of sesame oil. Remember, sesame oil is very strong and you have to be very careful in using it. Now let's prepare a vegetable for the stir fry. We're going to cut it in chunks. Do this with all the vegetables, including the onion. After you finish cutting the vegetables, then get ready for frying by adding 2 tablespoons of oil to your pan or pot. Fry the meat until it is golden brown. Then remove it from the pan and get ready to fry our vegetables. Fry the vegetables for about 5 minutes, then add your slurry and allow it to thicken. Add your meat to the pot, adjust the stove and allow it to steep for about 5 minutes, then your meat is done. Now here we have it, deliciously tender, well seasoned turkey steak. Enjoy! Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.